Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making these delicious homemade egg buns. They are soft in the inside, crispy on the outside, and stuffed with perfectly boiled egg. If you are interested, keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get cooking. All right, my dearest team, in my bowl I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to go ahead and use 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 5 teaspoon of sugar, granulated sugar. All right, to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, if you are liking this video already so far, give this video a big thumbs up and a big like. Go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients until everything is combined. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 egg. All right, and I want to thank all my old and new returning subscriber. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, after mixing the dry ingredients and after adding the egg and the butter, go ahead and mix it. Do not panic, guys. This is a very easy, and do not be intimidated. This is a very easy and simple recipe to make. To that, I went ahead, after mixing the egg and the butter, I went ahead and add 1 cup of milk. You can use carnation milk if you want, which is the evaporated milk, but I decided to use 1 cup of milk. Then to that I add 1 cup of warm water, and that's it. So you're gonna go ahead and mix the dough until it's combined. If it's a little too sticky, go ahead and add a little bit of flour to kind of get the stickiness out. So you don't require a lot of kneading in this recipe. I'm telling you guys, don't feel intimidated. This is so easy. If I can make it, you can too. Mix it for just kind of knead it just for until everything is combined. Really, you don't need that heavy power kneading. It doesn't require. Then I'm going to cover it for 10 to 15 minutes, the dough, and then come back and kind of knead it again for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. All right, after the dough has been rested for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flour on my work surface, and then like I said, just knead it lightly. It doesn't require to be kneaded like like you're making bread or something like that. No, just kind of knead it a little bit for 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes until everything is combined, because after the dough is rested, it's gonna be really soft. As you can see there, that's it. So simple. Just try it. Like I said, don't be scared. Actually, to be honest with you guys, this is my first time trying this recipe, so I think it come out really perfectly. So after that, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna divide the dough into how many equal size, or how many egg bun you plan on making. I did not count how many, so I just cut it, because you're gonna see in the video, I actually boil a couple of eggs. Now you want to make sure you boil your eggs ahead of time and peel it and make sure it's cold. All right, don't use a hot boiling egg after the egg is already boiled. Make sure the egg is boiled like so. I boiled a lot of eggs, and I didn't use all of them anyway. So now you want to tap dry the eggs. Make sure it's not wet. Add some flour on the palm of your hand, and spread the dough out. It's just like making Scotch eggs. I'm not sure if you guys know what Scotch eggs is. It's like when you use the ground beef or the ground turkey and put the eggs inside. This one is a dough. It's almost like a bread or like a dough that's just wrapped into a boiled egg. It is so good, guys. After this is ready, you're gonna see what I'm telling you. You can add more butter into the dough when mixing it, because I only add 2 tablespoons of butter, but you can add more butter if you want the dough to be more buttery. All right, if you don't want to add butter, just you can also spread some butter on it after it's done. So like I said, you're gonna take the dough and spread it out in the palm of your hand, and just kind of put a little bit of flour if it's a little bit sticky, and you just put the egg inside and just like roll it like you're making meatballs, or egg scotch egg, which like I said, you the one that they use ground beef or ground turkey. I already have a video on that in my channel. All right. So after you do all of that and wrap it and like you know, in a ball, it's so easy, guys. And don't forget, guys, to follow me on my other YouTube channel, which is Hannah Simple Life. I do my everyday vlog and other, you know, stuff there. Follow me on that channel, Hannah Simple Life. That's my second YouTube channel. And also follow me on other platforms like TikTok, that is Food Crave Kitchen, and TikTok, Hannah Simple Life, and Facebook, that is Food Crave Kitchen, and Facebook, and TikTok, that is Food Crave Kitchen, and TikTok, Hannah Simple Life, and Facebook, Hannah Simple Life. Yeah, but my second YouTube channel is Hannah Simple Life. Make sure you check it out and subscribe. So now after boiling up all the um the egg bun, all right, like so, I kind of have a brain freeze right there for a moment. And this is how everything looks like. I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes again. And then now, meanwhile, my oil was already preheating. All right. I just let the dough rest a little bit for like 5 minutes. And then now my oil was preheating. Please do not make sure your oil is not too hot, because if it's too hot, the you know, it won't fry. It will be raw inside. So be mindful of that. And here I made a mistake, because it's not even I made a mistake, I didn't have enough oil. Now you want to make sure you have enough oil in your pot, because the dough, when you put it in the oil, is supposed to float, you know. So it was kind of like sitting on the pot because there was not much oil. So you want to fry the dough to a, you know, low medium heat until it's fried, because if it's too hot, the dough will be too brown really easy quick, and also raw in the inside. So you want to make sure you eyeball everything. Don't make your oil too extremely hot, and patiently cook it until the main thing, you want the dough to be cooked inside. All right, so this is how everything looks like. It almost look like a donut, but it's not. It's a you know, stuffed egg bun. All right, now you guys gonna see how I'm gonna split it in half. You can add some salt and pepper in it. If the salt is not too much, you can add some salt and pepper in it. It's almost like eating bread and eggs. You can add some mayonnaise in it. You can add you know, whatever you want to add in it. You can add more butter to it after eating it. You can enjoy this with your coffee and your tea in the morning. You can eat it any time of the day. It is so delicious, guys, and I hope you guys will try this recipe. Now I'm going to go ahead and split it in half and show you guys how it looks like. And guys, this is how everything looks like I said, you can add more butter, you can add salt and pepper, you know, you can just leave it as is. So delicious, so crunchy in the outside and soft in the inside. Yes, I hope you guys will try it. And if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious cooking videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you all on my next video. Thank you, and bye-bye.